Trust me, I ain't scared when I'm sliding in the moonlight.
Hey girl, period. Alright, so getting right into the look, I just started by concealing or priming my eyelids with my Fenty concealer, and I will be blending that out with my concealer brush, and I'm using the bend and drag. Whoa, I am so tired. I'm sorry. The patting and dragging method to blend out the concealer. All right, just wait till y'all see my palettes. Look at that. Like, I cannot believe this little boy. Like, I can't believe him. That palette was brand new. Didn't even use it yet. And look at what he did. And then look at this one. Like, I cannot believe him. But anyway, this is my Morphe Jacqueline Hill palette, and I just took that burnt orange shade, and I'm using that as a transition color, and I'm just blending that into my crease and taking that into my outer V a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking that brown shade. I think it was called Smooth Criminal. And I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did with the other shadow. I'm just placing that a little bit lower than I did with the other shadow, just to give it a little bit of dimension. Now I'm going to be taking that darker brown, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the other colors, but this time I'm placing that right on top of both of the colors and blending that out just to darken it up a little bit. And then I'm going back in with the lighter brown just to blend it out. Now I'm taking that dark brown shade from the Warrior palette, and I'm placing that into my outer V, and I'm dragging it into my crease a little bit. I'm using a smaller brush just to put back the burnt orange color because it got washed away with all the other brown colors. Alright, now I'm cutting my crease with my Fenty concealer. I like this concealer because it dries down very fast, and it just like holds the shadows together very well. I really want to try the P. Louise bases, so I'll order them and maybe do like a review on them. I don't know, we'll see. Now I'm just taking that dark brown color from the Warrior palette again and placing that in my outer V. And now I'm taking that shimmery shade in the middle and placing that where I cut my crease. And I'm going back with that brown shade to blend everything in together. Alright, so I did my liner and my lashes off camera, and I got my lashes from the Mercury app, of course. And now I'm just applying my foundation, my Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless. Was it? I think it's the matte and poreless foundation that I'm using. And I'm just putting that all over my face so I could blend it out. Now I'm taking my Fenty concealer and I'm just highlighting all the normal areas you highlight. And I'm taking that Real Techniques contour brush. I think that's what it's called. I love this brush to blend out my concealers because it just blends it out so well. It just gives you like a nice, like, soft beat. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild foundation stick and I'm just cream contouring. I really like this stuff. I just picked it up one day when I was at CVS. I was like, let me just try this. And it really, like, I really like how it's like creamy. It's not hard at all. It's like very creamy, so it's easy to blend out. And I really like it. Alright, now I'm taking my Smashbox Contouring Trio thing and I'm just setting my contour, or setting my cream contour. I actually did this first instead of setting my concealer first, and I really like the way that it came out. It just looks seamless. I know it's gonna look seamless, like, regardless, but when I did it today, it just looked different to me and I like it. So yeah. And the powder that I used was my Huda Beauty setting powder in the color Blondie. Now I'm taking my NARS Laguna bronzer and contouring my nose. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. blush palette and I'm taking that light pink shade And again, thank you, Cash, for destroying mommy's makeup. I'm taking that MAC palette thing. Everything will be in the description box. I'm sorry, everything is out of control. That's my mood right now because I can't seem to talk, but I was using that palette to take that highlighter and use on my face. Now I'm lining my lips with my NYX lip liner in expresso, and I'm gonna use my MAC Myth lipstick and put my butter gloss over it from NYX. NYX products are the best. I love NYX. It's one of my favorite drugstore products or drugstore brands to use. And yeah, so after this, the look is finished. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. Everything will be listed in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.